Hi kids, today we are going to make a special gift for Father's Day as we are going to celebrate Father's Day on the 20th of June. We will be making a few gift articles using craft papers and we will be placing those gifts inside a special box which we are going to make in a few seconds. As the first step, I am making a portrait of a father and two daughters. You can try out making a drawing like this. If you are not familiar enough in drawing human figures, you can see any storybooks and you can try out drawing the human figures. Once you are done drawing images, you can start coloring them black. Then comes the scenery coloring part. For this, we will be using oil pastels. We will be just scratching the oil pastels layer by layer as I have done on the picture. I used a blade to scratch the oil pastels. You can use any plastic object to scratch the oil pastels, but be careful. Along with the guidance of your parent, you just scratch the oil pastels. After scratching each of the oil pastel, you need to rub it with a piece of cloth. You can use the same cloth for each layer. You need to scratch it starting from the dark color till the lighter shade. I started with brown, then the next layer red, and then yellow, and finally the skin color, which is over the human images. Once the shading is over, use a black marker or oil paint to color the human images. Once you are done with the coloring part, you can write any caption or greetings on any part of the picture as you like. As you have used oil pastels, you won't be able to write with an oil pastel or a sketch. You can use only poster colors or oil paints. I'm using a brush and oil paint black to write. The preparation of greeting card is over by now. Let us make a gift box. For that, we need pieces of craft papers. These colored papers would be available in stationery shops. To prepare a gift box, I'm just using an imitation jewelry box. You can use a cardboard box or seek your mother in getting an unused jewelry box. I have used an orange color paper to make a simple decoration to the box. You can use your own imagination to decorate the box as per your wish. So that's how we can make a gift box with a few gift articles in it. Let's present such a gift box to our dad and make his day special. So I hope you would have had a great fun watching the video. We will be coming up with more such videos besides cooking. Keep watching us and liking us. See you in the next video.